Hey, sneekylinux here, back today with another one for you. Today we have a BBQ Linux, yeah, BBQ Linux. You say, yes. Is that for lunch? No, it's not for lunch, okay? It's based on Debian's SID, or should we say more so, Seduction. Yeah, Seduction, you know, the one from Germany, okay? I'm going to take a quick look through it. It comes with XFC, this version, but there is about 5 to 7 versions for you to choose from, and one with them all on, okay? So it's up to you which one you go and choose to use. Right, so you want to go and look at it first, don't you? So we'll go down to a little XFC bar down the bottom here, or our panel as we call them, and we open up our internet browser, which here is IceApe, okay? Because we're doing the totally free stuff. And it doesn't want to do anything. You go, let's go and search. And you're searching, and you're searching, and you're searching, and nothing happens. This happens once you've installed it, okay? There's a little trick for this one. Go up to network connections here, as you can see, and the one we're connected to is IF up down, right? It doesn't work. So you want to just connect that one, okay, like so. And then we'll connect one I've already made before, which is called wired connection 1. Then if you've got a wireless connection, obviously make it wireless, but it's entirely up to you. But once you do this, and we connect to that connection, everything should be hunky-dory, okay? So we'll quickly go down again, we'll go back to our browser, which is IceApe, as I said before. And we'll go to search, 54321, and in theory, we should go straight to Google UK, which is because we're in the UK, okay? So that's that all sorted. So if I put in BBQ, and in Linux, and see what happens, okay? BBQ Linux, or Linux BBQ, roast your own, okay? Roast your own, yeah? I know. As you can see, this is the page. Plenty here for you to read about, based on Debian SID, as I said before. The defaults are really basic, okay? Lots and lots of basic default tools. It's up to you once you want to put them afterwards, okay? If you want to add stuff, that's entirely up to you. Come and read all about it, because sometimes, if you don't read it, you may find that it ain't going to be for you. But if you want something light and different, and based on Debian, it could be for you. Okay, it only comes in, as far as I'm aware so far, English and German, okay? And as you can see here, there is support for Asian languages, but don't quote me on that, it might have changed since I last read it. Okay, there's quite a good community here, so go and find out what's going down. If you read down here, if I could right down to the bottom, they are a bit left field, shall we say? Should we say left field? Or they've got, you know, their brains on another planet. But apart from that, it seems okay. Okay, I'll just go with the applications that I've got here for you, just see what's going down. As it's XFCE 4.10 here, you've got the usual run program, terminal emulator, file manager, web browser, and mail reader. Under settings, you will find you've got quite a lot more than normal. Okay, yes, quite a lot. Yes, you can get your NVIDIA drivers. Yes, you can get your ATI drivers. The Intel seem to work fine as well. I've tried it on 3 machines, so it's no big deal there. Even though it's XFCE, I do find it is more looking like OpenBox, to be really honest with you. It is really minimalist, so to say. Synaptic is your baby for installing stuff. So if we go to Synaptic, and you'll see what I mean. It wants my password. If I remember what I put in now. I can't remember now. I'm going to go here. Oh, there's a couple of other things I want to show you anyway, that are quite, you know, just for this distro more than anything else. Okay, that's all done. I have updated the system, which you do need to do this for the network stuff, of course. Because if you can't get a network, you can't update it, and stuff don't work. Oh, stuff that doesn't work, okay? If I go here, and I go to Update Manager, normally nothing happens, okay? As you can see from my CPU monitor here, it's just not doing anything whatsoever, okay? So that's one little niggle that I don't like. Some of the other stuff don't run either. I've done the first run wizard already. You must do that as well. The forums are here and a quick link for you to go and have a look. And there's an upgrade warnings, which also doesn't work from here. No, it doesn't, which is a pity, really. Okay, that's the moans out of the way. I'll go down to accessories. Usually you would find an XFCE until we get to the Linux BBQ cookbook. So I'll just open that one up. There's lots of little things they've put here to help you get along with the system, even once you've installed it, or not installed it at all, you're running from the live CD. So there you go. Because it will fit on a CD, by the way. It is not a biggie. No, it will still squeeze on one with an audio disc. Okay. Also, we've got System Hospital. Okay. So open the System Hospital up. Here you can go down. If I scroll down, you can set up your sound, reset the sound, blah blah blah. Get your networking out of the way. Do a ping test. Check out your monitors and displays. Your NVIDIA graphics drivers for most GeForce stuff is here. This is where you come and get it. And your printer stuff, okay? Update Grub 2, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, it's all there. There's this one, which is Terminal. There's also a graphical version as well. I'm not going to go into it too much, because you can go and download it yourself and check it out, okay? Upgrade warnings and WM help. Have I done that one? No, I don't go. There's another U-turn one as well. It's basically readmes for doing desktop. Awesome. E17, because remember you can get different Windows managers for it. If you go to their site, there's about at least 7, I should say. Yeah, so you can check out what you want to do, really. Right, we're nearly coming to the end. I'll just go through the graphics. You don't get a lot as standard. Mirage in graphics. Internet browser is IceApe. Chromium is there as well. I think, did I do that one? I can't remember. I might have done that myself, actually. Under multimedia, all you get is an audio mixer, dead beef, and gnome player. You may have to put some codecs in, otherwise you can play stuff. Under Office, there is no Office stuff, okay? You have to put added word in, or LibreOffice, or whatever you want to on the system yourself. Under System, it's all the usual here, except a few bit of extras here. Install Seduction to USB, so they need to rename a few things yet as well. Okay. And Thunosh File Manager, by the way. Just click here about XFCE. You know it, you've seen it before. Now, on the whole, it runs nice, and if you want a pure Debian-based distro, this is it for you. But if it doesn't come with enough bells and whistles for you, and you want some more flashing lights, there is other versions for you to try. So go to the site and check it out. But apart from that, it runs reasonably well. But apart from them little niggles and the networking stuff, it's not so bad. I'm going to give it 75%. Sneaky Linux out. I'll see you later. Bye bye.